Today I'll be showing you how to divide a fraction by another fraction. All it actually requires is one simple trick, which I'll demonstrate on the first question, and then I'll work you through the second and third question as well. So all this actually requires is writing out the first fraction, so in this case 2/3, and then multiplying it by the reciprocal of the second fraction, which just means that we flip it upside down. So we swap the numerator and denominator, and it becomes 5/4. And then all you need to do from here is simple fraction multiplication. So multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So it becomes 2 times 5 over 3 times 4, which equals 10/12. And then if we want to, we can simplify that to 5/6. So that's the answer. 2/3 divided by 4/5 equals 2/3 times 5/4, which equals 5/6. So all you need to do is flip the second fraction, which is called taking the reciprocal, and then turn it into multiplication. Now if you want some practice, you can have a go at the second one, otherwise I'll just show you how to do it. So we write out the 5/6, and then multiply it by the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2/1. And that just becomes 5 times 2 over 6 times 1, which equals 10/6, or 5/3. And one last question, just so you can be 100% sure that you understand how to do it. So have a go at the last question, and then I'll show you what the answer is. So once again, we take the first fraction, 7/6, turn it into multiplication, and multiply it by the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 14/11. That equals 7 times 14 over 6 times 11. And then that equals 98/66. So those are the answers to the 3 questions.